How to fix the Roblox initialization error. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys on fixing the Roblox initialization error. The first thing you need to do is, if you're using third-party antivirus program software like Kaspersky, Mega, VFS, or other, try disabling them and running the game. If the problem persists, you need to go to the Windows Defender firewall, launch it. Press and allow an app or feature through the Windows Defender firewall, which is highlighted in blue color. Once in this window, you need to add Roblox to the list of exceptions in the Defender firewall and press allow an app or feature through Windows firewall. Tap on change settings and add Roblox in this list. If the problem still persists, you can download Roblox from Microsoft Store. Simply go to Microsoft Store and launch it. Then simply search for Roblox application, tap on it, and there you will see the install or update button. Simply tap on it to install it and update it to its latest version available. If the problem still persists, another thing you can do is reinstall Roblox. To do this, completely close the Roblox player and then type run in the Windows search bar. Tap on Windows plus R key on keyboard. Now type in %appdata% and hit enter. From here, simply search for Roblox application. Locate the Roblox folder and delete it. You can also directly search for add or remove programs. Now from this list, simply scroll down and find the Roblox application. Tap on it and then tap on uninstall. Tap on uninstall again and then reinstall using the Roblox website or Microsoft Store. So if you apply these solutions, the problem should be resolved. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.